this is the location that we will put the engine. We want to wash now. Mr. Joseph will help us to wash the motor. Yes, of course. We take the cables, the wiring, we block the exhaust. Anything can enter water and disturb us after. We make sure that it's not there. Here, as we are watching, all these things is because of the oil that have before.
Okay, so we are about to install the engine into the vehicle, Toyota Highlander. As you can see, it resides there. We have installed the gearbox and we are good to go. Yeah. Once we install, we couple those items that are remaining. Yeah. Exhaust is in place. Alternator is in position. Oil coolant is in position. Kickstarter also in position. Yeah, so join me as I take you to where the vehicle is. Yeah. So this is the vehicle waiting to receive its engine. Yeah. Thank you.